Good morning, folks. Turn that light off as it's flashing. Good morning, folks, and hope you had a great weekend. I had a fantastic weekend because it was my birthday, and my good lady organised all sorts of treats for me, so I'm in a very, very good mood. So this week's video, and possibly next week, is a shower refurbishment job. It's the perfect scenario. The customer is away on holiday and they've entrusted me with the house, which is very, very flattering, and I shall repay them by doing an excellent job as usual. But this is the job. Tripod sorted. So this shower is going to be totally replaced by a brand new shower with concealed shower valve, all new shower wall panels, and a tray that goes all the way to the end to give the impression of a wet room. Yeah, and then we're replacing this, putting the same shower panels on this splashback. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to this job, and let's see how it unfolds. This shower screen was an absolute nightmare to get off. I still to this day have no idea how it was fixed on. I ended up smashing up all the wall panelling and angle grinding the fixings out. Oh my god. Shower panels onto blockwork with just adhesive. Oh, the quality.
I ended up not using this 4x2 because it was too tall, and I was a bit worried about the rainhead shower being impeded, so I swapped it for this 3x2 CLS eventually, but at least it showed the process. Just cutting out for the waste pipe now.
Hello folks, I wonder if I can just take a minute to ask you if you're enjoying these videos and you're being entertained and getting some useful information out of them. I was wondering if it'd be okay if you could subscribe to my channel, please. It does help my numbers get up and helps me to provide more videos to edutain you in the future. So much appreciated. Let's get back to the video.
So as the floor's not level, you know, I've fallen foul of this before. You expect the floors to be level, but they're not. So just wedging this up so it's level, so we can get correct fall on the shower tray. Just adding some foam now to support underneath the gaps in the framework. Never underestimate the supporting power of set foam. It's very, very strong. So using loft boards here, tongue and groove loft boards as a base, which is really, really handy because they're sort of modular. And you don't have to be hauling a great big sheet of plywood around it. And you can, as you see later, I can cut a hole in one of the panels only. And it's a very, very excellent way of doing it. So this is where you win with these tongue and groove loft boards. So I've just realised that the boarding is impeding the alignment of the traps. So I can just take that one little board out and just nip a bit off it instead of you know, pulling that whole board up. It's win-win. So just dressing the shower valve, you have to purchase these 3/4 male iron to 15 compression fittings, so on all 4 of the inlets, so that's hot and cold, and on the 2 outlets, the shower head and the hand spray. And then, as with standard plumbing, you have to tape and paste them to stop them leaking. This is a critical part of the installation, positioning the shower valve. So you've got to create a backing that allows the shower valve to protrude through all the media. So you've got the tile backing board that goes on next, and you've got the shower wall panels, and enough has to poke through that you can get the faceplate on and get the knobs on. So a little bit of thinking on this one.